trying to get a good angle here. It's here. I'm really excited and I was influenced. I don't know if it's a Labubu or if it's a Lafufu. Kind of hoping that it's a Lafufu because I've seen the fake ones look crazy and I kind of want a fake one because I want it to look crazy. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, this is the box. I couldn't wait to open it. Ah, it's a Lafufu. I can tell it's a Lafufu. It's a fufu. It's a Lafufu. It's a fake one. There's not the authentic sticker that's supposed to be here. Yeah, and there's not the tab. So apparently if it's a real one, it will have like a pull tab. It will have a sticker of authentication. It's not glossy. It's a fake one. Okay, I wanted a fake one. I'm hoping it has like extra teeth or it looks like crazy. So I'm excited. It said I was able to pick my color, but I don't know. Maybe that was fake too. So I don't know which one I'm getting. Am I getting the one that I supposedly ordered? I don't know. It's a fake. It's a fake Labubu. Okay. Here's the package. I don't care that it's fake. I hope that it looks crazy. Let's see. I want it to look crazy. Oh, it looks crazy. Dude, it looks crazy. Look at those eyes. The eyes look crazy. It's got an extra tooth. Look at its body. It's like great. You're so cute. The feet. Oh my gosh. It's a Lafufu. The eyes look a little crazy. And the face is a little dirty. It's not quite pink. It kind of looks pink. Not really. The ears are... Look at the ears. The ears are twag. Look, one is rounded, one is pointed. I'm so happy. And like, I have a Lafufu that's not gonna look like everybody else's. That's what I was hoping for. And then the little feet, they're not quite straight. And the face is a little crooked. But look, the eyes look a little crazy. You're so cute. It looks like it's like staring into your soul. Look, see? It's supposed to be like this, and it's like slanted. I'm so happy. It's the little things, right?